Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Kalana coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, October 4th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 59 degrees with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Clubs meeting Monday morning are: Art Studio Apprentices will meet at 8 a.m. in room 104. Today's announcements are: don't forget, today is Zero Waste Lunch. And now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Friday. It has been another wonderful week here, and I have so many students to celebrate. So my first one is Champions for Collaboration. We have many students who have collaborated together to actually create the Hoover Scoop, our very own school newspaper. This was actually created in the inspiration of Gabby, Lucas, and Evan, but many other students contributed to it. So I love that they're collaborating together and creating something so amazing, which also includes artwork. Look at this incredible drawing of a praying mantis that Ishan did. I love getting to share the talents of our students and celebrating them here on our announcements. All right, it must be Friday because I have Smensel winners. So I'm going to start out by highlighting a few students. Grace, you are so kind. You are a rock star when writing kindness cards and kind notes. Mrs. Jacoby. Harold, so proud of you. I caught you being really awesome. You were picking up trash that was littering our Hoover front garden. Cy, you were nominated by a classmate for always being helpful. Keep up the great work, Mr. Sustich. And Evelyn, you've been working so hard on writing and learning English. I'm proud of you, Mrs. Budney. All right, I am going to read the list of Smensel winners for this week in addition to those 4 students. Please, after announcements, because you don't want to miss the Hoover School song, so wait until after announcements before you go to the office. And I will tell you, if you've never won a Smensel, when you go down to the office, we have music playing and a disco ball. We make it a huge celebration. We're looking for new party songs. So if you have a school-appropriate recommendation, please let the secretaries know, because they were really thinking about it this morning and wanted to pick just the right song. So I bet you all would have some great recommendations for us. All right, congratulations to our Smensel winners. Lexi from 214, Angelina from 107, Cy from 212, Harold from 209, Rahul from 203, Evelyn and Paige from 119, Ashvi from 206, Megan from 203, Rory from 207, David from 205, Ashvi from 210, Grace from 202, Ananya from 214, Aika from 201, Husam from 202, Harold from 209, Leslie from 108, Ethan from 115, Alex from 117, Lily and Andre from 118, Bay from 201, Amber and Isan from 201, McKenna from 106, Lydia from 107, Zainab from 102, Vidit from 111, Olivia from 209, Kavya from 120, Abinjay from 115, Lucas from 119, Juan from 206, Eileen from 204, Weston and Mitsuki from 114, Mrs. Sam, Mrs. Hattar, Rio from 209, Harold from 209, Gabby, Lucas, and Evan from room 120. Congratulations to all of our Smensel winners this week. After announcements, please head to the office. All right, we're ready for our Friday school song. Come on in, guys, right here. Come closer. Here we go. Come closer to me.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray!
Great job, guys. All right, Hoover, let's be champions together.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. This week's announcements were brought to you by the Big Mac scientists. Have a We Finished Up the Week Friday.